Hi guys, my name is Kenny and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button so that you get notified kapag may bago akong videos. Also, make sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link ng Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account ko. In today's video guys, ang gagawin ko is isi-share ko sa inyo yung aking The Perfect Everyday Makeup Kit. So kung baguhan kayo sa makeup and hindi nyo alam kung paano kayo magsisimula para i-build up yung makeup kit nyo, I really hope na makatulong tong video na to. I tried my best na gawing sobrang affordable na mga makeup products na isi-share ko sa video na to, and in all fairness guys, feeling ko naman sobrang successful kasi yung pinakamahal is 399 pesos. So, kung estudyante kayo, working boys and girls, or kaya naman mami, tapos naghahanap kayo ng magandang makeup product na hindi mabigat sa bulsa, I really hope guys na makatulong tong video na to. So without any further ado, let's now proceed with my recommendations. I'm going to start with face primer, and yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo na affordable is itong Quick FX No Shade Mattifier, and the reason why is because talagang effective siya when it comes to mattifying the skin. So kung oily yung face nyo, sobrang perfect nito. Another thing na gusto ko dito is that sobrang okay din niya if you have large and visible pores kasi nafe-fill in niya talaga yon. Kaya kapag naglagay kayo ng makeup after, mas flawless and mas maganda yung finish niya. For foundation naman guys, ang maire-recommend ko sa inyo is itong Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and the reason why is because in my opinion guys, for its price, ito na yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang foundation na mabibili nyo ngayon sa market. Whether you have normal, dry, oily, or combination skin, sobrang okay din nito guys kasi suitable siya sa kahit anong skin type. And another thing na gusto ko dito is yung finish niya kasi it looks very natural. It doesn't look cakey, hindi siya mabigat sa face. Sobrang natural lang talaga, kaya sobrang perfect niya for everyday. In my opinion guys, okay lang gumastos or mag-splurge sa foundation because it's called foundation for a reason. So, kung gusto niyo na maging sobrang ganda ng finish ng makeup nyo, make sure na mag-invest kayo sa magandang foundation. And kung baguhan nga kayo sa makeup guys, etong Fit Me yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo kasi maganda talaga siya. For concealer guys, yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo is yung isa sa mga sikat, hindi lang dito sa Philippines but also sa abroad na concealer, and that is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. The reason why I love this concealer guys is because kagaya ng Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, sobrang natural lang din ang finish niya. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng concealer na sobrang perfect, especially sa under eye area guys, yung hindi mabigat and hindi drying, I highly recommend this one. Feeling ko magugustuhan nyo siya, as in sobrang perfect na to guys, as in. I have two recommendations when it comes to powder, and yung first one is itong Nichido Pressed Powder. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng powder guys na magtatanggal lang ng shine or ng oil sa face nyo tapos hindi mabigat, I highly recommend this one guys. Sobrang perfect niya for everyday, and in all fairness, for its price, maganda yung performance niya. Ito namang second powder na maire-recommend ko sa inyo guys is perfect kung kailangan nyo ka ng extra coverage after nyo maglagay ng liquid foundation, and ito yung EB Advance or Ever Bilena Matte Two-Way Cake Foundation guys. Ito yung holy grail powder ko. So, whenever I feel like adding more coverage sa face ko, ito yung ginagamit ko, and as you can see, nakapag-hit pan na ako, and actually meron pa akong dalawang refill na nakatabi kasi sobrang love ko to. So, kung gusto niyo ng powder na mag-a-add ng extra coverage sa face nyo and also nakaka-control ng oil, I highly recommend this one guys. Maganda talaga siya. Ito namang next product na i-share ko sa inyo is actually a face palette, and ito yung EB Advance Blush Duo in the shade Golden Goddess. And eto guys, etong product na to, ilang beses ko na siya na-feature sa mga videos ko, and the reason why is because sobrang love na love ko talaga to kasi maganda talaga siya guys, as in. Yung blush dito guys, perfect dupe for NARS Orgasm. So kung love nyo yung blush na yon tapos naghahanap kayo ng cheaper alternative, I highly recommend this one. As in, kapag nilagay nyo sa cheeks guys, super duper close ng color nila, as in talagang parehas na parehas. Sobrang gusto ko din yung bronzer dito guys kasi it looks very natural kapag in-apply sa face, and yung color niya is very neutral kaya perfect siya pang bronze and pang contour. I swear guys, kung hindi nyo pa ito natatry, you need to get your hands on this kasi it's worth every single peso, as in maganda talaga siya. For mascara guys, yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo is yung current favorite kong mascara, and that is the Ever Bilena Volume Curl Waterproof Mascara. So, kung manipis yung lashes nyo kagaya ko and naghahanap kayo ng mascara na talagang magbibigay ng volume, and kapag nilagay nyo sa lashes, talagang makikita nyo na kumakapal siya. Eto guys, eto na yung solusyon. Actually, mas gusto ko pa to kaysa sa Hyper Curl ng Maybelline. So, ayun nga. Kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong mascara na gusto nyo i-try, I highly recommend picking this one up kasi sobrang effective niya when it comes to volumizing the lashes, and sobrang affordable niya. We all know that kilay is life, and for me guys, yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang pangkilay na nasubukan ko is itong Maybelline Fashion Brow, and the reason why I like this guys is because sobrang natural lang niya sa kilay. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng pangkilay na sobrang natural lang and perfect for everyday, yung hindi intense, I highly suggest this one. Feeling ko magugustuhan nyo siya. And another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is that it contains 2 powder products as well. So, parang you're hitting 2 birds with 1 stone with this product kasi may pangkilay ka na tapos may eyeshadow ka pa. So, saan ka pa? Charot. Unfortunately guys, I don't have any affordable waterproof eyeliners. But kung naghahanap kayo ng eyeliner na perfect for everyday and okay naman yung performance, I highly suggest etong Bilena color pencil. And what's great about this guys is that hindi lang siya pang waterline, pwede nyo din siyang gamitin pang kilay. I'm not really planning to include any eyeshadow palettes sa video na to, but just in case naghahanap kayo ng affordable but magandang eyeshadow palettes na perfect for everyday, I have 2 suggestions. And yung first one is itong Bilena pink eyeshadow palette. And as you can see guys, sobrang gaganda ng colors, talagang perfect for everyday kasi it's very soft and feminine. So, ang maganda kasi dito guys is that, especially mga lighter shades, kahit gamitan mo lang siya ng fingers kapag nilagay sa lids para magkaroon lang ng wash of color, para maging buhay lang, sobrang okay na niya. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng eyeshadow palette na nakakababaeng marangal, sweet lang, I highly recommend this one. Yung next eyeshadow palette na maire-recommend ko sa inyo na affordable is itong Fashion 21 eyeshadow palette na to because as you can see guys, sobrang neutral na mga colors niya kaya perfect talaga siya for everyday. And for its price guys, actually maganda yung performance and yung quality ng mga eyeshadows na nandito. For highlighter, ang maire-recommend ko sa inyo na affordable but maganda yung quality and performance is itong Ellefar Hanataka powder na mabibili nyo sa Daiso. And eto guys, kung hindi nyo pa siya natatry, you need to get your hands on this kasi sobrang bongga nito. As in, kung naghahanap kayo ng highlighter na talagang perfect for everyday, yung very soft and natural lang yung finish, kapag nilagay sa highest points ng face, I highly recommend this one kasi ang maganda dito guys, wala siyang chunks of glitter, sobrang pino ng pigments. And another thing na nagustuhan ko dito is that loose pigment siya, kaya a little goes a long way. And actually, eto guys, last year pa to. Feeling ko expired na siya, pero as you can see, sobrang dami nyo pa, kaya sobrang sulit ng 88 pesos nyo dito. I won't be recommending any lip product in this video because in my opinion guys, personal preference yan. So, kung ano yung gusto nyo gamitin sa lips nyo, yun yung gamitin nyo. So, yung last na lang na i-share ko sa inyo or i-recommend kong perfect for everyday na product is itong lip and cheek tint. And yung favorite ko is itong Colourette Cosmetics Color Tint. And yung shade na currently ginagamit ko is yung shade na Naomi. And eto actually yung nakalagay sa cheeks and sa lips ko. And as you can see guys, sobrang ganda niya, as in sobrang natural lang. What's great about this tint guys is that it contains argan oil kaya hindi siya nakaka-dry ng skin. Especially kapag nilagay sa cheeks guys, sobrang natural ng finish niya. Parang it sets into a matte finish. Parang almost nagme-melt sa skin kaya sobrang natural looking lang niya and talagang perfect for everyday. Ayun na guys, lahat ng products na maire-recommend ko para sa mga baguhan sa makeup and nagsisimula pa lang sa pag-build up ng makeup kit nila. I know how hard it is na bumuo ng makeup kit kasi minsan it can be overwhelming, especially kapag nasa mall ka guys. Kapag sobrang dami na ng makeup sa harap mo, minsan nakakalito na, parang matataranta ka na, hindi na alam ng isip mo kung ano yung bibilin mo. Kaya I really hope guys na makatulong tong video na to sa inyo, and that's it. If you enjoyed watching this video, of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so that you get notified kapag may bago akong videos. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye guys!